What's up, everybody? It's Ray23 here from Blacklanta. This year we want to create some videos to show you guys how to do some cool things, some free things, and most of all we want you to get some value out of these videos. So today we want to show you how to create a free photo shoot for your brand. Step one, you're going to go to google.com. Everybody knows Google. We Google everything nowadays. What you want to do is type in something like, just say if you wanted a guy wearing a white t-shirt. So you want to type in guy wearing blank white shirt. All right. Click images and there is going to be a selection for you to choose from. So I guess we can go ahead and, well, first thing I want to point out, most of these images, well, some of them will have like the watermarks on them, but you want to choose an image that doesn't have any watermarks. Let's see, man wearing blank white shirt. Okay, we can try this guy right here. Nice picture. So however you save your images, that is what you would want to do here. So I'm just going to take this guy and drag him over. All right, so also I would like to add, if you're looking for your specific brand that you have already, just say you have a Bella Canvas shirt or a Jersey's white t-shirt. So you might want to just Google Jersey's plain white shirt. And it'll give you some selections here, and even you could also even go to their website and you'll see the models with the blank white shirts on. For example, this one right here is a Jersey shirt. You just go onto the website, and what you would want to do right here is, if you have a Mac, you would just go in there and you would just screenshot this guy. Just take the image. Alright, so we'll play around with both of those images that I just got, one from Google and one from the Jersey's website. Okay, so the second thing you want to do here is you want to go to stickermule.com. So I like to just go and just type in sticker mule remove background. So Sticker Mule just got this new free feature to remove the background from your photos, which is super cool. And if you don't know about Sticker Mule, they are the best source for, like, of course, stickers, decals, just literally everything you can, like even shipping, labels, and just packaging, everything here. So they are like the best company ever. Like, when I say the best, I mean the best. So shout out to Sticker Mule. All right, so we're gonna go right here, upload a photo, and we'll just take the first picture that we have of this guy. All right, so as you can see, the background is completely gone. And what we want to do here is, I know some people like to even add, like, just say we wanted a brick wall behind them. You put a brick wall. If you wanted to put them in a desert, or just literally the possibilities are like endless here. But a lot of photo shoots now usually have like a plain background, and you can even put those in the background of your images as well. So we'll just go ahead and take this orange right here. I think that's a pretty nice color, and we'll just download it. All right, download the full image and it'll show right here. And we're just gonna drag this right onto our desktop. Okay, so another free application that I would like to introduce to you all, if you don't know about it, is something called Photoscape. It is like Photoshop, but I think it's easier. Well, maybe because I haven't really tried Photoshop, I didn't pay for it. So I wanted to, get something that was free that I could use just to do basic, simple things as far as graphics and different things like that. So you want to just go to Photoscape, and you just download it for free. Once again, everything I'm doing here is 100% free. So you would just go download that software. Once you get into the software, I already have it downloaded. Okay, you will want to drag the image that you just took from Sticker Mule right here. Not sure why mine is, there we are. So once you download the application, I know it looks like a lie. You're like, what is this? How am I going to, you know, figure out how to do all of this? Well, it's pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is navigate over to the Insert tab to your right. And depending on what your brand name is or anything, like if you have a logo, you can just click images and upload a logo and stamp it on his shirt right there. Or you can go in, put some text on it, like if your company just has a logo with text. What you want to do is, if I were to use this font, this is just a random font here, and if I wanted to put it in some black text and just make it smaller, you just grab the dots to make it smaller, and you just want to put that on there and center it just like that. That is pretty much it. Like, the possibilities here are endless. Like I said, you can even go in, take an image of your logo, upload it, put it on his shirt. You can just do anything here, and it looks like you had a photo shoot with someone. Like, your brand is on the shirt now, and you have a nice background, a nice model. Get yourself out there and get started with $0, and you can just create your own photo shoot instead of going out finding a model, finding a photographer. But I mean, if you want to go that route, that's always good. I have photo shoots and stuff myself. But if you want to just put a product out and you don't have time for all that, this is the easiest, quickest way to go ahead and get your images out there. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you leave a comment in the comment box below, and stay tuned until the next video. Thank you.